Yes, in this video we're going to create a Bluetooth lavalier microphone from a Bluetooth headset. So we will start by taking our headset, which is this. We will crack the case open. We'll use a knife here carefully to insert, crack the case open, remove the components. We will clip these wires off of the headset. Same with the other side. Remove the headset. We don't need that anymore. We will reinsert it back into the case. And we're going to mix up a little bit of two-part epoxy here to glue the case and the case back together, and we'll glue the magnet on the back. You could also use super glue if you wanted to. We'll mix this up here real good. We're going to put the cover back on the back. Okay. We're going to reinstall the cover carefully here. A little bit tricky to get it back together, but not too bad. And we're going to take a little bit of our two-part epoxy here. We'll glue the cover back together here. Back together on the other side. Flip it over here. We will install our magnet on the back. Take a little bit of our epoxy here. Drop a good sizable amount up here at the top towards the microphone. Drop our magnet on. Then we'll let it dry. And we will see how it works out.
Here we go. I just put the new microphone. John made it on my shirt here. We will testing this Bluetooth is work with the distance or not. So I will walk 10 feet away, then we'll test it. I'm 10 feet away from the camera. Can you hear me or not, John?
Yeah, you're awful loud.
Okay, I will.
You gotta talk louder whenever you get away.
Okay, that's normal because we are talking the outside. Okay, I will keep walking another 10 feet. Will be the distance with camera is 20 feet away. Yeah, I just walking. It's already 30 feet away. So I will ask John if he can hear me. Can you hear me or not, John? Okay. We're done the testing. Please subscribe, like.